With several food sensitivities and the abundance of unhealthy foods out there, do you sometimes wonder what else is there left to eat? I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. With over 4 decades of health challenges and experiences, and as a health coach, I have learned that healthy food alternatives along with food-grade essential oils is a game changer. So if you want to improve gut health naturally, get my free health assessment at the link in the description below. This is one of the best healthy chicken Alfredo recipes out there, especially if you're looking for easy healthy recipes, keto diet recipes, low carb recipes, and gut health recipes. Just try it and see for yourself. You'll love the flavor of this Alfredo pasta sauce and the wonderful immune boosting benefits. So we're going to start by cooking 8 ounces of gluten-free pasta made from non-GMO edamame. It's absolutely the best I've found, and it cooks in only about 5 minutes. Then pour into a colander until we are ready for it. Meanwhile, let's go to our skillet and heat 2 tablespoons of coconut or avocado oil. Then add 2 cubed chicken breasts and saute until completely cooked through. Make sure your heat is on low because while this is cooking, we are going to go to our blender. And in our blender, we are going to add 1 14-ounce can of whole fat coconut milk, 3/4 cup raw cashews, 2 teaspoons salt, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, 2 drops black pepper essential oil, and 1 drop coriander essential oil. These are so good for immune boosting and raising your metabolism. So now we're going to blend it for at least 1 to 2 minutes so that there's no grit. And then we're going to add it into our skillet and begin to heat this. Now, while we've stirred this in and began heating it, we are going to get 3/4 cup of water, and to that add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder and mix it in. And then we are going to stir it into our skillet mixture and stir it around until it's nice and thick and creamy. Oh, so delicious. Now we are ready for our pasta. And we are going to mix that all together to evenly coat. If you prefer healthy eating, then this is a favorite of my easy healthy recipes that the whole family will enjoy. It is so delicious. And I hope you can't wait to try it. So what questions do you have? Please ask me in the comments below and tell me what you would like to see more of. Then like and subscribe. As a weight loss and health coach of many years, if you want to improve your gut health naturally, take that free health assessment below to start the process. Thank you so much for watching.